Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary here. So this is a video on how you can sell your PAWS tokens. We all know that the PAWS tokens has been listed. So if the price was good to you, you can drop it at the comment section, and if the price was not good to you, please also drop it at the comment section. All right, let's jump right into the video. So for you to sell your PAWS tokens, you need to come to your assets here, click on assets. After clicking on assets, you come to unified trading. Make sure your PAWS is in unified trading, okay? If it's not in unified trading, if it's in the funding account, you can just click on transfer here, and then you transfer from funding to unified trading. But if your PAWS tokens is reflecting in your unified trading, you just go ahead to click on it to check if it is reflecting there. So you can see the PAWS token is here. All right, so now the next thing you need to do is to click on trade here. You want to click on trade. So the next thing you want to consider is to make sure this is on spot, not on convert. Let it be on spot. Very important. So the next thing you want to do is to change from chart to trade. Make sure it's on trade. And then the next thing you want to do is to click on this X USDT, and then you type your PAWS USDT, because remember you are selling our PAWS token. So you want to go ahead to type PAWS USDT. So it has come up. Then you click on it. As you can see, just change to PAWS USDT. Please, very important to not forget. And then the next thing you want to do is to change your buy to sell. Remember we are selling our PAWS tokens. You change it to sell. And then the next thing you want to do is to change this limit to market. Remember we are using the spot market to sell. So then you're going next to the quantity. That means the quantity of PAWS you want to sell. So if you're selling for 50%, you want to sell half of your PAWS tokens, you can drag the line to 50%. But if you want to sell your PAWS tokens 100%, you can drag it to the end of this line. All right, so that is it. And then the next thing you want to do is to click on sell. So once you click on sell, automatically your PAWS tokens will be converted to USDT. And then if you want to check if the PAWS token has been converted to USDT, you just come to assets here, click on assets. So after clicking on assets, you click on unified trading, and then your PAWS token that has been converted to USDT will be reflecting here in your USDT. And then you can send it to your funding wallet. And then from your funding wallet, you can send it to any other wallet you want to send it to. So that's how you can sell your PAWS tokens. If this video was helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it, and share this video so that YouTube will push this video to a whole lot of people who need to know how to sell the PAWS tokens. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.